Hello and welcome to App Talks. I'm Andrew Gothelf with the AppExchange marketing team. App Talks is a series of conversations with Salesforce customers about how solutions on the AppExchange are helping to improve business outcomes. Today we're in Chicago, Illinois at the offices of Renovo Financial, where I'll be talking to Kevin Werner, CEO and founder of Renovo, as well as Josh Perrye, Finance Associate, and Remi Gangarossa, Executive Vice President of Operations, to learn how OwnBackup is providing data protection and peace of mind for Renovo. Kevin, thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.
Can you give me a little bit of a sense of what it is that Renovo Financial does?
Sure. So Renovo Financial is a real estate finance company. We make loans to individual residential real estate investors. So that's small business owners that want to buy and fix and sell real estate. Anything from someone doing like one single family home at a time to maybe investors doing 20 homes a year, 30 homes a year, up to apartment owners that may buy distressed apartment buildings, renovate them, release them, and then ultimately sell those kinds of properties.
I understand that the company has grown a lot since its inception. Can you tell me about that?
Sure. We started in 2011, and we started with one loan. We knew what we wanted to create. We wanted to create a company that we ourselves would love to borrow from. My partner and I were real estate investors and rehabbers, and getting financing was really tough for us. We set out to create a customer service-driven lending business that we have been able to grow over the last 7 years.
In a couple of minutes, I'm going to talk to a couple of people on your team about using OwnBackup and Salesforce. In relation to some of that growth, how do you think those technologies have helped fuel it?
OwnBackup and Salesforce have been critical in being able to grow and scale the company as we have. So when we started, I'm a little old school. I would use notebooks and paper and files and things that worked well for me maybe really early on. But then as the team grew and as the company grew, we adopted those things. We have Salesforce and OwnBackup, and those have been able to completely transform the company, serve the client much better, much more consistent. And we've also been able to customize it in such a way that really works for us, in a way that it feels like it was built just for us.